Hey everybody. On Friday, on the advice of the National Cybersecurity Centre, the Irish government banned the use of TikTok on all government-owned devices. This decision follows similar ones in the US, in Great Britain, in the Netherlands, and in Belgium, whereas in India, TikTok has been banned outright. So what's all the concern about TikTok? TikTok was created for the international market. You cannot access TikTok from mainland China. In China, the original version of TikTok, Douyin, is used. Douyin was launched in 2016 before TikTok, and it was immensely successful in the domestic Chinese market. Currently has over 600 million daily users. But Douyin is a lot more restricted. There are no anonymous accounts on there. All of its users can be traced back to their Chinese national identity. There are restrictions on how many hours a day you can use it, and it's monitored by the Chinese government. Following the success of Douyin, its owners, ByteDance, bought a US video sharing startup and they created TikTok. Like all social media platforms, TikTok tracks a lot of information about its users. All the information in your user profile, your location, what videos you're watching, who you're talking to, and even your biometrics can be recorded. This allows the social media companies to build up a profile of you and your interests, which in theory is used to serve you with further and more interesting content. That same user information could be used to influence you and your decisions or to interfere with the domestic election process. In 2020, UEM provider Lookout did an analysis of the TikTok app, and they found that it was indeed communicating directly to IP addresses in China. A more recent review found that that was no longer the case. But under Chinese law, if the Chinese Communist Party requests the release of information about you from ByteDance, ByteDance would have to comply and share everything they had on you. This is the risk and why there is so much concern amongst Western governments. If you park TikTok for a moment, the fact that an app on your phone can cause this much concern is an important point. Your mobile device could be providing information about you without you knowing that could be used in a cyber attack. Controlling what applications your users download is vitally important. A properly configured unified endpoint manager is the key to protecting you and your organization. We are UEM experts. We work at a range of different UEM providers. Be sure to talk to us about your mobile security.